Susan bought some English books at $14 each. Alright, those are the English books. She also bought an equal number of Chinese books at a different price. The average price of an English and a Chinese book was $11. Susan paid $30 more for the English books than the Chinese books. Part A, what was the cost of the Chinese book? Part B, how many English books did Susan buy? Okay, so to do the part A, we need to use our average formula. We know that English books is $14 each. The average price of English and Chinese book was $11. So if we employ our tan triangle, TAN, the average price of two books, of a Chinese and English book, average price will be $11. So with that, we can find the total cost of these two books. English and Chinese books. Okay, this is two books, so total cost is just average multiplied by number of books. So average is $11 times the two books. This will give you $22. Okay, but I'm interested in the Chinese book. I know that the English book costs $14. How much is the Chinese book? Alright, bear in mind the total is $22. So the Chinese book will be a bit cheaper, right? Okay, because it's just $22 minus $14, so $8 here for the Chinese book. This is the final answer for part A, okay? Now, and then part B, how many English books did Susan buy? Bear in mind, she paid $30 more for the English books than the Chinese books. And this is very important information. Another important information is that she bought an equal number of Chinese books. So for part B, we can put one English book and one Chinese book into one set. Why 1 and 1? Because she bought an equal number. Alright, so if it's just 1 and 1, what is the difference in one set? Difference in one set. Okay, now this will be the cost of the English book minus that of the Chinese book. So $14 minus $8, and that will give you $6. So the difference in one set is $6, but the total difference is not just $6, it is $30. So how many of such sets do I have? Number of sets. Now this will just be the $30 divided by the difference in each set. That will be 5 sets. Okay, so the question is, how many English books did this person buy? In each set there's 1 English books. So 5 sets, 5 times 1, the answer will be 5 English books bought.